To send an animated GIF on an iPhone, you'll first go to Messages and pick the conversation where you want to send the GIF. Tap the plus icon on the left and choose Images. Here you can browse a massive catalog of different images, both animated and static. You can find almost anything, and the search feature works really well. Just search what you're trying to send and browse the results. You can scroll down to see more options, and once you find something you like, simply tap the GIF to add it to your message. If you tap and hold, you'll see a full screen preview first. Like I said, the catalog is pretty great, and you can usually find anything from movie quotes to birthday wishes and all kinds of funny reactions. These work perfectly between iPhones, but if you're texting with someone who doesn't have an iPhone and you're seeing the green bubble messages, it's a little different. You can still send these, but the other person might only get a static image without the animation. Sometimes the animation might still work, but that depends on carrier support. And there you have it. Click that like button if this helped you, and subscribe to get quick access to hundreds of quick tutorials like this.